Welcome to our complete guide on creating a guild on Discord in 2025. Let's dive into the exciting world of Discord guilds and their purpose. In this update, Discord has introduced some fantastic features for guild creation. Let's take a quick look at what's new. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to creating your very own Discord guild. Follow along with these easy instructions. Now let's customize your guild by setting up roles and permissions. This is key to managing your community effectively. Adding channels is essential for a healthy guild. We'll explore how to set up text, voice, and even video channels. Growing your guild community starts with inviting members. Here's how you can effectively welcome new users. Bots can supercharge your guild's functionality. Let's discover some popular bots and how they can help you. Effective management and moderation can make or break your guild. Here are some best practices to consider. Let's take a closer look at guild settings, particularly the important privacy options you should be aware of. To wrap up, let's review some final tips for ensuring your guild is successful and engaging.